Hey guys, Chelsea here from Making Manzanita. In today's video, where I'm going to show you a few different ideas for how to transition tile edges. We are using a few different examples of rounded tile edges in a recent bathroom renovation that we did, and I'm going to show you all the details. Enjoy!
So real quickly, I kind of wanted to talk about like transitions in tile. It's something you definitely need to think about when you're ordering your tile. So anytime there is an end of the tile or you're turning a corner, you need to think about how you're going to transition it. So like you can see here on the end of where this tile ends and goes into the wall, we're using what's called a bullnose, and that's just where the tile kind of rounds over and hits the wall there. And the thing you need to be careful about when you're ordering tile is not every tile is going to have a trim option or a bullnose option. So I actually ordered this tile, this is the Jeffrey Core stuff that we are using, and they didn't carry a bullnose trim in this exact shade, but I was able to find another style that they carried that was almost the exact same. It's a little different size, it's a little skinnier and a little longer, and it's technically a different pattern, but I cannot even tell. Like, it looks so similar. So that was good. And then what we're doing over here in the niches on these corners is I'm using a Carrera bullnose, and this is actually not the same type of Carrera as this is. It's a different pattern, but it looks exactly similar. So I'm glad it's a great match. But what we're using, this is a 2x6 bullnose, so it's rounded here on the edge, and we just cut these inner pieces down so they fit right back here in the back. And then what we're doing up here in this transition is we're using subway tile for the entire window there. We obviously had to cut some back for the back, but then in the front we're using a bullnose here. And that's just a 2x6 bullnose. And then the last transition is this one over here. On this pony wall, we're using two of the bullnoses because we need the rounded edge to be on both edges of this wall. So we just kind of butt them up against each other there. So definitely something to think about when you are ordering your tile. I forgot, there was one more transition. That's with the subway tile here. And what we did for this one, I forgot to order the 3x6 bullnose. So what we did instead is we're using these things called jollies. And this is basically the equivalent of a bullnose, but it's a whole separate piece. And it's a little harder to work with. Logan wasn't too wild about it. It was a little harder to put in there because it's so small, but they didn't have any 3x6 bullnose in our local shop. And since they didn't order them ahead of time, this was just our only option. So I think it looks really good. We 45 the corners here. So it looks nice and a finished product. So that's all you need to know about tile transitions.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video and it was some good food for thought for you. Definitely something you need to think about before you purchase your tile, how you're going to handle those tile edges. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to push that thumbs up button, subscribe while you're here, and then check out this video next. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.